Are you ready to elevate your aerial photography and videography skills? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best DJI drones currently on the market, showcasing their impressive features, capabilities, and what makes them stand out. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to capture stunning landscapes or a professional videographer aiming for cinematic perfection, we've got you covered. DJI has long been a leader in drone technology, and with a range of models to suit every need and budget, there's something for everyone. Let's dive in and help you find the perfect drone for your aerial adventures. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 SE. Our find for best budget DJI drone. If you're on the lookout for a drone that marries affordability with impressive features, the Mini 2 SE is likely the ideal choice for you. As an enhanced version of the popular Mini SE, its design remains familiar, making it an appealing option whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting. Don't let its budget-friendly status fool you. This drone is equipped with a powerhouse of capabilities that are perfect for your aerial explorations. One major highlight of the Mini 2 SE is the upgraded O2 radio system, which dramatically improves your flying experience. With doubled bandwidth, you can enjoy an impressive range of up to 10 km in the US, ensuring a clear and reliable video feed directly to your mobile device. The durable RCN1 controller adds to your comfort, providing a more controlled flying experience. While the drone's 2.7K camera resolution might seem modest, it aligns well with most smartphone screens, offering you fantastic visuals. Combined with a high-quality 3-axis gimbal, you'll achieve smooth, cinematic shots that can rival the footage from many overpriced 4K drones. Plus, with manual exposure options, you'll gain creative control over your photography. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or memorable moments, the Mini 2 SE is designed to bring your aerial photography aspirations to life. Number 4. DJI Neo. Our find for best DJI drone for multi-flight control. The DJI Neo is the standout choice in DJI's drone lineup, specifically designed for first-time flyers like you. This compact and lightweight drone weighs just 4.76 ounces, making it incredibly easy to handle. Unbox it, and within minutes, you can start capturing stunning aerial selfies directly from your hand. No prior flight experience necessary. The Neo goes beyond just being user-friendly. It offers advanced features like AI subject detection and face recognition, ensuring that your shots stay focused on you, even when others appear in the frame. While there are other selfie drones available, such as the Hover Air X1, the Neo distinguishes itself with its superior 4K video resolution and access to DJI's versatile ecosystem, which includes various controllers, first-person view goggles, and the DJI Fly app. Imagine exploring your surroundings from new heights, navigating tight spaces with confidence, thanks to its propeller guards for added safety. The Neo's impressive range holds up to 6.2 miles or 3.7 miles, giving you the freedom to fly far and wide. Plus, with a 1435 mAh battery, you can enjoy up to 18 minutes of flight time. If you're looking for a fun and accessible first drone, the DJI Neo is the perfect choice for you. Experience the joy of flight and capture breathtaking moments effortlessly. Still searching for the perfect DJI drone? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. DJI Avata 2. Our find for best DJI drone for first-person view flying. If you're an first-person view enthusiast or just starting your drone journey, the DJI Avata 2 is an excellent choice that reaffirms its status as a top-tier first-person view drone. You'll find it surprisingly easy to fly, making it a great option for beginners. The inclusion of user-friendly safety features, like a panic button that brings the drone to a hover, adds an extra layer of comfort as you hone your flying skills. With the newly enhanced Motion Controller 3, navigating the skies is intuitive, though seasoned pilots might prefer the precision of the Remote Controller 3 for more hands-on control. One of the standout improvements is the upgraded 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, which dramatically enhances image quality. You can capture stunning 4K 60-pixel footage with excellent detail and dynamic range that will elevate your aerial photography. The video feed through the upgraded DJI Goggles 3 is sharp, immersing you in the experience. Plus, the Avata 2's sleek design means longer flight times, up to 26 minutes per charge, allowing you to explore more without constant interruptions. With a weight of just 377 grams, this drone is portable and convenient. Shipping with everything you need to start flying, the Avata 2 offers incredible value as you dive into the exhilarating world of first-person view. Get ready to unlock new creative possibilities and enjoy the thrill of flight. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. Our find for best DJI drone for beginners. If you're looking for a budget-friendly drone that doesn't compromise on quality, the Mini 3 is an excellent choice. Weighing only 248 grams, this small and lightweight drone is perfect for those who want to capture stunning imagery without the worry of advanced collision avoidance features. If you're comfortable navigating around obstacles, you'll find the Mini 3 can deliver impressive results, boasting the same image quality as its more expensive counterpart. With a 12-megapixel sensor that allows you to shoot in both JPEG and RAW formats, as well as 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, you're set to capture breathtaking content. Plus, its unique rotating camera lets you easily shoot in portrait mode, ideal for social media posts. While professionals may find the absence of log profiles and subject tracking a bit limiting, the Mini 3 does come with helpful quick shots. These automated flight paths enable beginners to create cinematic footage with ease. You'll appreciate the user-friendly piloting experience, especially with the optional controller, which enhances your control. Additional features like downward vision sensors and GPS support will give you confidence while hovering and recording. With a flight time of 38 minutes and a range of 6 to 10 kilometers, the Mini 3 offers you freedom and flexibility for your aerial adventures. Enjoy capturing life's moments from a new perspective. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Our find for best DJI drone overall. The DJI Mini 4 Pro marks a remarkable advancement in the world of drones, establishing itself as the top contender in the sub-250-gram category. While its design may seem familiar at first glance, it's the powerful one of 1.3-inch sensor that truly elevates your aerial photography and videography. This sensor is engineered to perform exceptionally in varied conditions, ensuring you capture stunning visuals every time you fly. If you're a newcomer to drone flying or looking to expand your collection, the Mini 4 Pro is an excellent choice. Its compact and lightweight form makes it perfect for both hobbyists and professionals alike. As a secondary drone, it features D-Log-M video color consistency, enabling you to seamlessly integrate your footage with that from higher-end models like the Mavic 3. Imagine the breathtaking aerial shots you could capture for personal projects or professional work. With a camera resolution of 12 megapixel and the capability to shoot at 48 megapixel, along with an impressive flight time of 34 minutes and a range stretching from 8 km to 12 km, the Mini 4 Pro empowers you to unleash your creativity. Investing in this drone is more than just acquiring new technology. It's about expanding your creative horizons and taking your storytelling to new heights. Experience the possibilities with the best sub-250-gram drone available today. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which DJI drone you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.